Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to move a message to spam on Messenger. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the Messenger. Once you've opened, just go to the conversation or the person that you'd like to move that messages to spam. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the conversation that you've had with that person. And for the next step, all you have to do is to tap on the more information icon on the top right corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to this screen. And when you scroll down, as you can see, Facebook Messenger or Meta has removed the option move this message to spam. But don't you worry, I have alternative ways on dodging this person or the person that annoys you. For the first step or the first way, just scroll down and head to the privacy and support. As you can see, there are three options, and the one we're looking for there is the restrict. So when you tap it, this person will be restricted. When you go back to the conversation, it will show that you've restricted the person, and that person can see when you're online or when you've read their messages. It is somehow like blocking, but not totally blocking them up. It's just you're restricting them to message you or call you. But if you don't like that, all you have to do is to tap on unrestrict, go back again to the more information, scroll down again. For the second option, you can block them. Once you block them, and you tap on it, you will have two options. You can either block messages and calls or block on Facebook. When you block messages and calls, your Facebook account won't receive messages or calls from that person, and that person will not be blocked on Facebook, and you may still be able to see that person's posts, comments, and reactions on Facebook. And if you're in shared groups or rooms with the account you're blocking, you'll still be able to see and communicate with each other. But you can leave groups or rooms anytime. And if you block on Facebook, that person's messages and calls will also be blocked. And you will need to block that person from other Facebook profiles you have, and this won't block other Facebook profiles that person have. But Facebook will limit some of the ways those profiles can interact with you. And if you don't like to block, for the third option, all you have to do is to go back again, go back. All you have to do is to tap and hold to that conversation or person. And as you can see, you will see this pop up. And on this pop up, on the topmost, there is an archive option. When you tap on it, that person will be removed from the list that you have here on the chats. But do mind that when they message you, they will pop right back. This somehow the same as deleting the conversation. It's just when you archive, the conversation stays, and when they message you, it is still there. Unlike delete conversation, the past conversations will be deleted. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.